Hey guys. Okay, so today's Friday. You are just now writing everything into this yellow box right here. So, super easy. All you have to do is go to your pillar, and the first sentence that you will write is your introduction sentence. The second thing you'll write would be your central idea. The next thing you can do, take all this that's in this box and add that. Then, whatever's in this box, add that as your next couple sentences. Whatever you have in this box, add that to your paper as your next few sentences. And then right here, this can be your kind of your conclusion sentence. So you might want to start this box, with the word finally. And I have some sentence stems I'll show you. So right here, so you're literally taking all this info right here, all this in the pillar, and you're just copying it down onto this page right here. Very easy. One little trick, and if it doesn't work for you or you're confused, do not worry about it. You can highlight it, and I'm using a Chromebook, so some computers are different. You would hit Control C, that means copy. Now I'm going to go down to my final copy, since I want that to be my first sentence. And I'm going to hit Control V. And look, it just put it in there for me. So you can hit Control C, highlight, hit Control C, that copies it. Then go down to this page right here, the Publish Final Copy page, and you can hit Control V, and it'll paste it down there for you so you don't have to keep going back and forth. Or it's no big deal. You're literally just taking everything that you wrote in the pillar and you're rewriting it onto this page right here. One thing I wanted to show you, please use this if you want to. If you're having trouble coming up with ways to start your sentences, if you want to use this in blue, do it. This can be your first sentence. Then your central idea, all this stuff in blue, you can use these sentences to help you. So you might say the main thing I would want to change is or are the food items or whatever. So if you chose food items, you would write food items right there in the pink. And then this is all about what food items you would want to change and why. Same here. So the first thing I would change is blah, 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 blah. Another thing I would want to change is blah, 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 blah. In addition to blah, 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 I also want to da, 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 da. And finally, I would want to da, 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 da. So we know that our transition word finally is, how we can, it's how we're ending our story or ending our paragraph. So whenever you're taking all this information and putting it in the final copy, make sure this square right here is the last one that you add. And that'll sum up your paper. So don't forget, this slide is at the very end of the presentation. Okay, so real quick, you're just going to take all the info that you wrote in here. You're literally just kind of copying everything here on to this page, and then you're done. Okay, guys, good job. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.